Good morning. Today is Monday, May 29th, 2023. I am here at Bull Bay Pier, and this is a quick comparison video. I've got half of the boat done so far, but I want to make sure that I document basically what the before and the after was. But I also have a few concerns for this prop on the starboard side, so I'm going to get that in this video as well. Alright, so that was the current side that has been completed. The only thing completed on this side has been the water line, so we're going to go ahead and check that what it looked like before and what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and then we'll get a final video for it.